Dear friends, today I am going to explain how to perform a CD test. Okay. So for that purpose I brought one dummy fiber, both end connect rest. Okay. It is G655 fiber. So first of all we have to see the length of the fiber. Okay, before that we will switch on the equipment. Okay, connect the power and switch on the equipment. Okay, so the boot up time we can save. So first we have to clean the connector and we have to make sure we have to identify the length of the fiber. Okay, we have to feed it in the equipment. So for that purpose I will test this with my OTDR. Okay, now you can see the process. Okay. Clean and connect the fiber connected to the OTDR. Okay. Then start test in the auto mode. First select the auto mode, then start test. Okay, you can see this. Now you can see that it is 1 kilometer. Okay, the fiber length is 1.097 kilometers. Okay, you can check one more time. It in auto mode, then start non-stop. So we will get a clear length. Okay, maybe it is 2 kilometer fiber. So it will select automatically all the range, pulse and duration. Okay, we want to check what is the length of the fiber. See, it is testing in two wavelength, 1550 and 1625, but there is no need for that one in order to test the fiber length. Okay, it is clear that it is 1.102 kilometer. So now we can consider this as 1 kilometer fiber. Okay, now we will switch off the equipment, OTDR. Okay, then here you can see we will show you CD test first. Okay, we will show you the CD test. So chromatic dispersion. So we will start the module. It will take a little bit time. So at that time what we will do is we will connect one end of the test drum with the source. Okay, one end of the test drum with the source. Okay, clean and connect. Because we have already cleaned the coupler. Clean and connect the patch cord with the source and get the other end of the fiber. Other end of the dummy. It's also connectorized. Okay, it's also connectorized, the same connector FC, and clean and connect. Clean. Okay, clean with the isopropyl swab or clean it with the connector cleaner. Okay, clean and connect it with the, I will show you the port. Connect it with the port. This is short length cable, so we have to use connect it properly. Okay, connect it with the port. Okay, this is high power port because it is short in length. It is only 1 kilometer. So what we have to do is, so we have connected the 1 kilometer test drum with the CD port and the CD analyzer port and CD analyzer source port also. Okay, this is source, this equipment is source, and this is CD. So now we have to set something, okay, some parameters in this, because we have to select the fiber type as NZDS because it is D655 fiber. NZDS. Okay, then the RGD data should be quadratic. Then we have to change the length of the fiber. Okay, because it is 1 kilometer only. 1.1. Okay, 1.1 kilometer. Then after that, okay, this is C plus L band. Then we can change it to custom also. Okay, if we want to do it, we can do it in the custom, or we can do it in the C plus L band. So we can select the C plus L band. Okay, then 1 second or 2 second average timing also we can give. So it will take a 3.13 minutes. So the step we have to put it into NF. Okay, so these are the settings we have to do. After that we have to go to the setup. Okay, distance should be kilometer. Okay, and all these things should be on. Okay, show RGD values, auto reset zoom, show fitted lambda 0 value, show calculate curve during acquisition. All should be on in position. And here we have to change the number of the number. We have to change the number. One. Okay, we will start the testing from fiber number 1. Okay, suppose it is fiber number 1. Okay, select this one. Then next is we have to switch on the source. Okay, switch on the source by pressing the red button. Okay, now you can see that the CDPMD analyzer source is on. Okay. It will take a little bit time. Now the source is ready. Okay, we have to, this now is in the off position, source is in the off position. We have to push the on button. Okay, now the laser is on. You can see here, see the signal is arrived to the CD analyzer. Okay, now we will start the button. Okay, push the start button. It will take 3 minutes time. We have to wait up to the 3 minutes time. So you can see you can see the graph and everything here. Okay, we can focus it with the equipment. Okay, you can see the acquisition is on here. See, okay, now it came up to here. Okay, it is going. See, the acquisition is in progress. You can see the status of the acquisition also. So we should not touch the patch cores in the equipment side, both the equipment sides. We should not touch or disturb. If you touch, the CD will fail. See, now we can see the fiber number on the top because it is fiber number 1. Now it is nearly finished. Okay, you can see the acquisition in progress, and here also you can see the acquisition. Now it is finished. Okay, now you can see the results. See, we have to see the wavelengths. Okay, in 1550 in G655 fiber, we have to see the wavelength of 1550. What is the dispersion picosecond nanometer kilometer? 4.362. It is acceptable. Okay, it can come up to 6. Okay, now it is 4.36, and the next one is, it is 9.95. So this fiber is okay. this fiber is okay. So we have to check in two wavelengths. It is 1624, that means 1625 wavelength nanometer, and it is 9.9. It is 10 picosecond nanometer kilometer, and here it is 1550. It is 4.36. So this test is fast. Means this you can see we can change see the graph also. We can see the result table, and you can see the acquisition, the fiber number 1. Okay, the time and everything will be there, date and time. Then parameter will be, you can see the parameter also, which parameter we done the testing. Here you can see the parameter also. Now we have to test all the fibers, then we have to save the fiber. You can save in C or wherever it may be, or another file. Okay, wherever it may be, you can go and you can go to any folder. Okay, like this, and give the file name and press or create a new folder. Wherever it may be, we can save the file. Okay, this is CD test. But normally what we are doing is, we have this reference taken patch codes are there, reference taken patch codes. So we will connect the reference taken patch code here in the equipment, and for this link we have to connect it with the FSTP or the termination point. Okay, connect it with the this patch code. We have to use it in the other one end, and the two patch codes we have taken reference, and connect this one patch code with the source and one patch code with the equipment, and connect the other end of this patch code with to the FSTP of the fiber under test. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I will show you PMD test in the next video. Okay, thank you very much for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.